wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best wedding albums. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Malden International Design 7039-26 accommodates up to 160 photographs with space for 2 per insert. The exterior is made of faux leather and the inside sleeve includes a slot for a CD, so you can store digital copies or even a video of your special day. It comes in at a budget-friendly price and the pictures are protected in plastic. However, the binding tends to loosen. At number 9, you can display a few of your favorite pictures on the front of the Pioneer collapse frame, alongside its stylish embossed lettering. Each interior sheet has properly oriented sleeves for both landscapes and portraits. It features attractive stitch detailing and uses archival paper. There are 5 pockets per insert. Coming in at number 8 on our list, you can safely store all your photographs in the simple but elegant facraft 300 ivory. It's constructed with a flannel-like napped cotton material, and because of its plain theme, can be used to keep snapshots from a variety of other occasions too. It comes with a black pen, however it only accommodates landscape images, and the pages are easily torn. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wedding albums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, embellished with the word wedding and an ornate design on the front, the Pioneer embroidered scroll is an eye-catching pick that holds memories from your nuptials in protective plastic pockets and sturdy book-style binding. This one has a 200 print capacity and places for notes. The stitching is a light champagne color. Moving up our list to number 6, the Amore Beautiful Ivory is a decorative choice made with a premium buckskin suede and a ring detail with silver foil inscription. It can hold 100 pictures and fastens with an off-white ribbon. There's room to write captions and an attractive scroll font, along with vertically oriented pockets. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Goldia silver-plated has spaces for 80 4x6-inch images. The hard metallic cover has a spot for a picture, and thanks to the sturdy jacket, it can stand upright on a bookshelf for decoration. This is a compact choice that holds 1 photograph per sheet. It makes a good gift. At number 4, the Golden State Art Geometric Patent sports a prominent embossed design on the exterior. It accommodates 200 pictures, with each page holding 2 prints and providing spaces to write notes. It's made with acid-free paper and displays a photo on the cover. It's good value for the price. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the 10 by 10 inch window on the front of the recutms large capacity provides space to create a custom collage of some of your favorite images. It's available in multiple colors and has sleeves for both landscape and portrait images. It features a durably stitched cover and comes in 500 and 600 pocket options. The pages are held in with rivets. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wedding albums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you prefer not to have a picture on the front, the Pioneer Diamond Ribbon might suit your needs. The exterior is an ivory-colored fabric, and the inserts can accommodate 2 photographs with space for notes next to each. It boasts a rounded, book-bound spine and an appealing pattern on the interior. It's also suitable for other life events. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the versatile recutms DIY scrapbook can hold any image measuring up to 8 by 10 inches. The sheets have a protective film to keep dust out and prevent scratches, and the faux leather cover adds some elegance. The plastic is adhesive to secure photos, and it contains 60 pages. It's easily customized. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wedding albums, or simply click beneath this video.